Are you getting pretty close to retirement and you're worried about losing that steady income and thinking maybe YouTube might be what you replace it with? I just got monetized. I'll show you like the social proof up here somewhere. And because I started out this professional life as an actor, I was trying all the things, all the other things. All right, so let's go. First up, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know exactly what you're going to talk about yet, and you don't have to have a lot of tech sense. But there are channels that have already invented the wheel, so I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. But I will link a full video from one of my main mentors, Millie Adrian of Modern Millie. I'll link that so that you can watch her tutorial on how to set up your channel in the first place. And Sean Cannell from the Video Ranking Academy, who I joined and watched all his videos and all his lessons all year long. He has another one on how to set up your channel from scratch. It'll be an hour long. You can watch it, rewind it again and again. And then, if you have any questions, absolutely come back to me here. But that's step one, is you have to set your channel up properly. Here are some nuts and bolts. You should have a nice banner. YouTube is owned by Google, so it's a search engine. So people type into YouTube looking for, discussions on retirement or how to make money when you're over 60 using YouTube. So if those are the things you're going to talk about, or if that's the demographic you live in, you're going to want to make sure those channel tags are there. And if you don't want to have to do all of that every time to your descriptions, and you think you're going to serve your community by talking about similar things every time, you can set that up to be a default upload. And this is where I do that. But those are the nuts and bolts. You can change the name of your channel every 14 days if you want to. You have to verify you are who you say you are. But so you don't even have to know the exact forever things you're going to talk about yet. This one, the channel you're watching me on now, I rebranded it recently. I used to use it for something else, but thankfully I have learned, and that's my second tip, but before I go there, just one little tangent, forgive me. I learned how to rebrand it by changing all those things, and that's likely how you found me, okay? Though I'm an actor and talking to the camera wasn't a stopper for me, all the techie stuff and figuring out how to do it correctly was a stopper at first. So I joined the Video Ranking Academy. If that even interests you remotely, yes, my affiliate link will be down below, but that's not the point of this video. The point is that there's so much out there that you can watch. You just need to know who to trust. So I'm telling you right now, I'm sharing what I actually did so that you can do it too. I learned from Sean Cannell, who wrote YouTube Secrets. I learned from Millie Adrian, who has Thoroughly Modern Millie. No, Thoroughly Modern Millie is a play. Modern Millie. So I would say those are my top two, and Michelle Cunningham really helped me. I would say those three would really help you get from just starting at zero to where I am now. But so let's keep going. If you want to dive in deeper with those people, they're the ones who taught me that you have to have search engine optimization when you load your video. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to get on your camera. You're going to record it in 4K if you have space on your camera to do it. You're going to shoot it horizontally. I have a little microphone. I think this literally cost me like $25. So if you don't want to have to edit and increase the volume in one of those fancy editing softwares, I use CapCut, but I don't want to have to edit anything. So I'm talking on my microphone. I'll link, this is the only other thing I'll link down there. Yes, it'll be an affiliate link, but what do you get? Like $2? I don't care. I just want you to be able to do this, okay? Don't launch a blank channel. Here's what I would suggest. Get all that ready, record 3, and then have 2 set as a premiere. And when you set something as a premiere and you schedule it to go out in the future, you can see it. If I set the video you're watching now as a premiere, you might have clicked notify me, and that's what it looks like right there. And then that's a good thing, because when somebody pops onto your brand new channel and they're watching the one video that you just set out as public, you don't want to set it as public yet. Let it sit there for 24 hours so the search engines and the Google little gremlins in the background can see whether or not there are any reasons why it would have a copyright strike against it. Maybe if you've added music, you have to be really careful with that. I have videos on that. If you want to know how to be very careful with that, I'll tell you. But put a question in. That's not the point of this video. So put a question in the comments and I'll be sure to circle back and help you. So you want to let it sit there for at least 24 hours. Put it as unlisted. And so then the algorithm starts to search. Say, hey, who might like listening or watching this video of this person? And then that's how the brand new YouTube channel, if you set it up, starts to be known in those circles, okay? And the other two are going to sit there, and if I pop on your brand new channel and I've just watched one, I don't want to be like, this is a totally empty channel. This might be somebody who just does one video and then disappears and never comes back. You don't want that. You want at least two more to be sitting there as premieres so they can see, Or the other thing I did when I rebranded, okay, if you want more about setting up a premiere, let me know in the comments. This is the other thing I did that finally, this is the key to how you're probably finding me on this channel right now, is I did reactions to people who are known in this conversation. You can react to this one. Go on your phone and you'll be watching shorts by the people you love, okay? In that same niche or niche. And if it says remix on your phone, you can click it, set it up on your little tripod here. I always use headphones because if you're going to talk at the same time, you'll echo. So make sure you have headphones. Yes, they're old school when you see me do that. That's why. And so you can talk back to it and react. And that's what finally blew up on my Dawnnie Mercado channel. That's the one that is finally monetized after 2 years. So I was reacting to Jane Williamson, and I get my dog, I'd have her with me right now, but she's asleep right there. And we just laugh and react. And some of those videos, they're only 15 seconds long by default because you're doing it as an allowable remix. I put them side by side. If you want to add the captions, do it before you export it and load it up into your phone. If you want a full tutorial on how to do that because the tech hurts your brain or scares you at all, let me know. Depends. Let's see if any of you ask for it. So then I committed. So this is what you're going to have to do to be found. Commit to posting a regular schedule. So what I did is I batch recorded at least 7 to 10 at a time. I would load them and I would save them there as unlisted, and then I would schedule them to come out every day at 7:30, every day at 7:30. And around the holidays, thank goodness, I was also writing a trend. That's another thing, okay? Look for when trends are happening. So trend surfing. So that's what I mean by that. I would react to Christmassy things around the holidays. They took off, and that's what blew up my channel. So that's another way. If you want to know all about how, what it takes to get monetized, I can talk more about that if you're interested. But my point is, stick to it. It is not too late for you. I did it. Wait, I'll be right back. I'm having Walmart deliver my groceries. Hold on a sec. I forgot my coffee. Okay, I wasn't going to edit, but now I have to edit because the app turned off my recording when I went to get the Walmart delivery. I am not that fancy that I can't go to the grocery store myself, believe me, but. So I just want to recap and tell you that the method that I finally got monetized by doing was the same way that you're probably finding me right now on this channel. Was that I reacted to a famous YouTuber over there on my Dawnnie Mercado channel, and then another one, and some of them blew up. And there are different ways that you can get monetized. So it happened since November, although I've been working on it for 2 years, over 2 years. So whatever it is that you think is a stopper to you, just stay at it. But I'm telling you that that's my secret, is that in order to finally get found, Bella just woke up. In order to finally get found by people who would be interested in my content, hold on, here comes Belly. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. I started doing Mom and Her Chihuahua Reacts. Here's Bella. And she and I literally just sit here together I usually have her wrapped in a sweater underneath me, right here, and her little head pops out. And we react to mom content, cozy corner-ish content. I have a rule that if you can't say something nice, don't say it at all. So some reaction channels get kind of mean. I'm not that. So I found an audience over there on Dawnnie Mercado that people are engaging with. So find it. Find your thing. And I gotta tell you, it couldn't be more me if I tried. This is literally who I am. Me and my dog, hanging out, shop at Walmart. I shop at many other stores as well, just so you know, brand deals. It's just that where I live, that's the only store we have. I live in a small town. I'm not yet retired. I have a day job on the computer, but I guarantee you by the time I do retire from that job, you and I will have built this empire on YouTube together so that I'm not going to miss a beat. Start building it now. Build your following now. Find your voice now. So that when you're only on a fixed income, God willing, Social Security will still be there for me, then YouTube can replace that day job that's about to end. So I just want to encourage you that it is not too late, all right? All of the apps or tools that I have talked about that have gotten me to where I am will be linked in the description and or comments. If you have any questions, or if you just want to celebrate with me and say, go Bella, this is Bella, please comment below. I forgot, have a call to action. This is what a call to action is. Watch one of the videos that pop up next because YouTube thinks you'll love it, and one of them is probably having something to do with what I just talked about.